Namaskar. Greetings to all music lovers in Mauritius on the occasion of World Music Day. Music has evolved through prehistoric times across the globe. While its origins remain a subject of much speculation and scientific exploration, this human creative aspect has defined and enriched human cultures everywhere. In addition to voice, humans used materials available to them such as wood, plants, fibers, animal skin to craft a number of wind, string or percussion instruments to create a myriad of melodies, rhythms and harmonies through the ages. Different arrangement of musical notes evoke emotions that transcend cultures, time, language and borders. Folk music marks daily activities or special occasions such as harvests and other festivals. Several distinct musical traditions have evolved, assimilating new influences over time. Very often the popular music of an earlier age gradually turns into classical as the time goes by. In earlier centuries, the classical music was often sustained through patronage of courts and other rich people. Technology has democratized access to music. With improvements in technology, the nature of sound and the quality of sound is also evolving. In recent decades, the pace of this change is accelerating. The radio, record players, CDs and internet have enabled music to be made available to everyone across the globe. It has meant that music from great maestros and regions from distant continents becomes available for personal listening in homes. This has also led to an explosion in creativity and experimentation in music. In the Indian tradition, music can be traced back to the primordial sound, and music and dance are integral to spiritual pursuit. Music played an important part in the early oral transmission of knowledge, culture and history. Like everywhere else, in India too, the musical traditions have evolved over millennia, assimilating many influences. The Indian classical music speaks to different moods, time of the day, seasons, and evokes a variety of emotions through different ragas. India is known for its mega diversity of cultures, including classical, folk, popular, and the film music. Mauritius too represents a melange of cultures and musical traditions. Different influences from the Asian, African, and European musical traditions have made the music of Mauritius very vibrant and enriching. Therefore, it is no coincidence that several of the music and dance forms of Mauritius have been recognized by UNESCO as the World Intangible Heritage. These, for instance, include Geet Gawai and Sega Tambur and many others. I would like to thank the director of the Indian Culture Center, IGCIC in Mauritius, for organizing these online events to mark the World Music Day and to spread positivity in these difficult times. Thank you.